News update Northeast. In an apparent backlash to India's alleged recent illegal construction of defense facilities on the border, China is set to ban imports of pigs, wild boars, and related products from India. However, as a cover up, Chinese authorities claim the ban on pork is being imposed in an effort to prevent African swine fever and ensure the safety of China's animal husbandry. Senior member of National Commission for Women Soso Saija on Thursday called on DOE NER Minister Dr. Jitendra Singh and discussed COVID-related issues, particularly in the context of the northeastern region. Himujjal Sharma, an industrial designer and an alumnus of IIT Guwahati, has manufactured high-grade quality of face shields to fulfill the need for it in the hospitals of Assam and northeastern region. The face shields or masks, according to a statement, are better, faster and cheaper in production. 5 more persons have tested positive for COVID-19 in Nagaland, taking the state's total tally of active cases to 25. This was informed by Nagaland Health Minister S. Phangyu Phom through his official Twitter handle early Friday morning. Union Home Minister Amit Shah on Thursday spoke to all chief ministers and sought their views on extension of the ongoing nationwide lockdown beyond May 31. According to Home Minister sources, the telephonic conversations of the Home Minister came just 3 days before the end of the lockdown 4.0. Assam Water Resources Minister Kesab Mahanta and State Chief Secretary Kumar Sanjay Krishna on Thursday took stock of the flood situation at different places in Hojai district. Notably, incessant rain since last few days has turned the flood scene grim situation in the district. The Hindu-Trip Petroleum Workers Union on Thursday petitioned to the Meghalaya government against the action of some Dorbar Snongs in Khasi and Jainte Hills that disallowed tanker drivers to return to their respective residences after coming from Assam for loading of petroleum products. Landslide due to heavy rains in the foothills of eastern Himalayas on Assam-Arunachal boundary in Lakhimpur Dhemaji districts has created panic among people living on the downstream area of the Subansiri River since May 26 last. 2 Manipur ministers L. Jayantakumar and Dr. T.H. Radheshyam held a meeting with the Chief Medical Officer Dr. N. Jayantakumar of Thoubal District, Medical Superintendent Dr. C.H. Memcha, health workers and officials concerned during their visit to the district hospital on Thursday, according to official sources. Assam Governor Professor Jagdish Mukhi on Thursday underscored the need to bring Udalguri, an inspirational district, up to the national average. The governor asked the administration to work on a time-bound manner to press for timely implementation for aspirational district program. That's all from the northeastern region. Reporting Govinda Karki, Our Voice.